Are you thinking about buying a home in the Houston and surrounding Metroplex area and have no idea where to start? If so, you're in the right place. Hi, I'm Travis Harris with HomeSmart. First thing before doing anything else, you need to know what you can afford. Getting qualified for a loan is essential when looking to purchase a home. You truly need to understand the costs associated with being a homeowner and qualifying for a loan. Don't put the cart before the horse and start house hunting just yet. We need to get your finances secure so you don't lose any unnecessary money. So your very first step when buying a home in this Houston real estate market is meeting with a mortgage lender and getting qualified. I've got amazing references that you can meet with to make sure you're safe and secure in regard to the financing aspect of purchasing of a home. Don't make the same mistake as so many others do. They go out house hunting prior to going mortgage shopping. There are things that you have to consider before looking at homes. Things like knowing how much of a down payment you'll need, what the closing costs will be associated with getting a loan, the cost for inspections, and any other expenses that may arise with your loan as well as purchasing your new home. I am highly trained in all of these areas and I would love to help you in the sale of your home. I'm Travis Harris with HomeSmart and I'm always here to help you, and we'll refer you to one of our trusted mortgage professionals so that you can get well on your way to becoming a homeowner.